Have you ever driven past these colorful stripes on the roadside, green and white, black and yellow, or maybe blue and white, and wondered, what do these actually mean? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain what each of these color patterns tells you. And trust me, they're not just for decoration. Number one, black and white stripes. These mean parking is permitted. You can safely park your vehicle here. Just make sure you're not blocking any driveway, hydrant, or traffic lane. Number two, black and yellow stripes. These mark a no parking zone. You can stop briefly to pick up or drop off passengers, but no long-term parking allowed. Park here too long, and you might get a ticket or a tow. Number three, blue and white stripes. These indicate a bus stop area, meaning only buses can stop here. Other vehicles must stay clear so buses can pull in and out safely. Number four, blue and yellow stripes. These mean no bus stopping. That's right. This area is off limits for buses to stop or park. So if you're driving a bus or near a bus route, remember, blue and yellow stripes mean no bus stop zone. Number five, green and white stripes. These are for ambulance parking only, reserved for emergency vehicles. So always keep this space open for ambulances. Every second counts. And finally, number six, yellow and white stripes. These mark a taxi stop zone where taxis can pick up or drop off passengers. If you're not a taxi driver, don't park here. You could get fined or towed. So the next time you're on the road, remember, those colors aren't just random paint. They're silent messages keeping you and everyone else safe. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more quick road safety tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.